What's up, y'all? Welcome to Lit Like Vick, brought to you by your girl, Victoria Dinkra, also known as Vick, hence the Lit Like Vick. Just want to welcome you all to my dance video today. We're going to be learning the Forever Dance Challenge that I, created. And I want y'all to try. We're going to get into it. It's going to be a great time. Thank you, everyone who responded to my poll. I appreciate y'all. That's just it. When I put stuff out and I ask questions, I appreciate the engagement. So, thanks, y'all. So the first few moves, you're going to start off on your right, going right, left, right, wiggle, wiggle, drop, drop, kick, left, shoulder, head, wiggle up, and one. Wiggle two, freestyle, freestyle. Then right, left, right, wiggle, wiggle, drop, drop, kick, right, shoulder, head, wiggle up, and one, two, freestyle, freestyle. So the next move we're going to go into is open with your head up. This might take right arm forward, all switch, night, glide to the right. This might take all night, down, I don't go to the right, 5 a.m., 1, 2, 3, okay? This might take all night, drop, 5 a.m., hit, hit, hit. And then you're going to step with the left, baby, you and I together. Bring the right arm down, and the palm is going to be up for pushing through, you're just switching, pushing through whatever. Left arm down, right leg open. Whatever, right, left. Pushing through whatever, right, left. You're going to swing left, swing 1, 2, 3, 4, giving high energy there. And then step high level. Bring the left leg up, high level, 1, 2, hit double, double, and. Okay, after you hit double, double, and, you're going to use your left arm to pull your right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right and round. Then you're going to hit your left hip. 1, 2, bring it, 1, 2. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right and round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step with the right. Bring your arm to spin around. So it'll be hit, she said, 2, grab it, bumpa, freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. She said, grab it, bumpa, una, na, na, hit, adoye wo, makuma, drop, drop, hit, kick, hit, head, bring it up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, bring it, drop, drop, and ha, ha, bring it up, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try it with the music.
Through whatever, you give me right energy, high level. Run, baby girl, right from the house so slow. She said, ooh la la la.
Hey, thanks y'all for coming. I appreciate everyone. If you decide to do this, definitely make sure you tag me, hashtag lit like Vick, hashtag forever challenge, hashtag Eugy official. Let's get this poppin'.